I'd like to take this opportunity to show you the engineering capabilities of seals at an Allyn Tool company. These are two molds that were produced in-house, designed in-house, to specific requirements by the customer. The parts were designed on our software by our chief engineer, Paul Shoup, and Paul took the time to make sure that each and every detail was completely covered. And then he was able, with our software, to send back wireless through the internet to the customer exactly what he had designed, and we can show it in 3D, and we can rotate it and give different applications to show the customer exactly what they have. We do a mirror image. When a mold is made, we have to have a male and a female and a certain amount of tolerance in between. That means we start out with we call it a bezel, and this bezel is machined and formed in order to fit exactly into the mold. When it fits into the mold is closed with rubber inside. We can produce this fuel injection seal. The rubber is very consistent all the way around. Everything is held in place by special pins. These special pins locate into the mold. The springs help push it off so it'll separate. This is a difficult job to do in that this particular piece has rubber both on the inside and nothing on the outside except in the edge. So we make little pads that this part sets on. That keeps the mold, the bezel, away from the mold and keeps the rubber from either going in or going out, whatever it calls for. Usually we make the mold with inserts. So if something happens, whether it's a damage to the mold or the customer has a new design that they'd like to change, we can simply take a small part of this mold out, remachine it or remake it, reinstall it, and we're back in business. So Seals-It has some very, very strong capabilities to design and build. That's usually done in the Allyn Tool company side. That's a sister business to Allyn Tool. I own both companies. I'm very proud of that. The machine shop business was something that I got into when my dad had the shop. And that was back in 1958. I started my apprenticeship. Apprenticeship, a very old word. I was taught roundness, squareness, perpendicularity. A lot of those basics that I was taught so many years ago have helped Allyn Tool and Seals-It develop what I think are the absolute best sealing products on the market today. Bar none, we don't feel that we have to take a second or back seat to anyone. As most of the fellows know in the NASCAR Cup group, they come to us on a regular basis. We're regularly able to solve problems, and that's what we are. We're problem solvers. We have the background, the knowledge, and the desire to do a great job for you.